The 2025 Citroën 2CV marks the highly anticipated return of one of the most iconic nameplates in automotive history. Drawing inspiration from the original 2CV that debuted in the mid-20th century, the new model pays homage to its legendary past while embracing modern technology and styling. Designed as a compact urban car with retro charm, the 2025 2CV offers a fresh take on minimalism, economy, and practicality, values that made the original a global success. This reimagined version, however, is far more than just a nostalgic throwback. It represents Citroën's commitment to innovative mobility solutions tailored for today's drivers. One of the most striking features of the 2025 2CV is its design. It blends classic elements like rounded fenders, a curved roofline, and minimalist detailing with modern LED lighting, sleek body panels, and aerodynamic efficiency. Citroën has managed to keep the vehicle instantly recognizable while updating it for contemporary tastes. The overall silhouette is unmistakably 2CV, yet it rides lower and features sharper lines, giving it a cleaner, more refined look. Lightweight materials such as aluminum and composites contribute to improved fuel efficiency and handling, all while maintaining the rugged, go-anywhere spirit of the original. Inside, the 2CV takes a minimalist yet functional approach. The cabin is thoughtfully laid out with intuitive controls, a digital instrument cluster, and a central touchscreen interface. While the materials may be simple, they are durable and sustainable, with options for recycled fabrics and eco-friendly trim. The focus is clearly on utility and comfort, with clever storage solutions, ample headroom, and modular seating arrangements. Despite its compact dimensions, the 2CV provides a surprisingly spacious environment, making it suitable for urban commuting as well as weekend escapes. Under the hood, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is available in both electric and hybrid variants. The electric model features a compact battery pack that delivers a range of up to 250 kilometers on a single charge, perfect for city driving and short trips. Charging is fast and efficient, supporting both standard home outlets and rapid charging stations. The hybrid version, meanwhile, offers a small gasoline engine paired with an electric motor to enhance fuel economy and reduce emissions without range anxiety. Both powertrains prioritize efficiency over performance, but the driving experience is smooth, quiet, and responsive. Citroën has also focused on safety and connectivity. The 2CV comes with a full suite of driver assistance technologies, including lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and a rear-view camera. Connectivity features include smartphone integration, wireless charging, and real-time traffic updates via Citroën's infotainment system. The result is a vehicle that feels modern and user-friendly, even while it stays true to its humble roots. The 2025 Citroën 2CV isn't just a car, it's a statement. It redefines what a small car can be by blending classic appeal with modern needs. Affordable, efficient, and charmingly retro, it's a compelling choice for environmentally conscious drivers who appreciate both style and substance. In a world filled with oversized SUVs and performance-driven machines, the new 2CV stands out by staying delightfully simple.